Guys, in this video I will talk about Oppo Find N. It's a foldable phone. So hey guys, I am Iam Ikhtier Ahmed and you are watching ARZONE. Subscribe this channel and hit the notification icon so that you can find these kinds of tech news at first. So without wasting time, let's begin. Okay, if you look at the first impression in this mobile, that is, this is very small and it will adjust to your hand, so that is very useful for you. So its display type is foldable LTP AMOLED display. Its resolution is 1792 into 1920 pixels and its display size is 7.1 inches and its processor is Qualcomm SM8350 Snapdragon 888 5G and its internal storage is 256 GB and 512 GB. Its RAM is 8 and 12 GB. Its front camera is 32 megapixel and back camera is 50 megapixel. Its battery capacity is 4500 milliampere. Its charging is 33 watts fast charging and wireless charging is 15 watts fast charging and reverse charging is 10 watts fast charging, and colors are only black, white and purple. So that is our video. Subscribe this channel and hit the notification icon. So see you in the next video. Till then,